Mr. President, sir, all protocols established, it is my pleasure on behalf of the Senate, elected and nominated members of Parliament, to bring their greetings and to bring their congratulations to the President and all the stakeholders, including the families back home that will be partaking of this bill. Your Excellency, allow me, as I congratulate you, to also pass my congratulations to the leader of the minority in the Senate, because on this series of bills, it is an area where we agreed to agree on everything, including some of the amendments we eventually made. Allow me, Mr. President, to also thank members of the National Assembly because they accepted all the bills that originated from the Senate. Mr. President, sir, allow me also to thank the Minister and her permanent secretaries for the support that they gave us when we were debating these bills. Finally, but not least, Your Excellency, let it be on record that where the Senate debated these bills from was actually where primary health is truly required. We did the debate from Lodwar, the headquarters of the county government of Lodwar. The county government of Turkana. We were well received by the governor plus the entire county assembly, and we owe them. Mr. President, sir, members of the Senate debated late into the night because they wanted to make this enterprise even better. Your Excellency, as a professional of medicine, I want to confirm that you are truly going to be remembered in this country for what you have done, because it is lack of primary health attention to the concerns of patients that eventually leads to the loss of unnecessary lives. The innovation of the digital health bill is going to save millions upon millions of Kenyans, because many mothers, some of them, have no idea what the doctor said 6 months ago when the child presented to them. And when they have to restart the story, they lose out on very important information. But with the digital innovation, this will no longer be necessary. And remembering that some of our mothers do not have the standard of education required, and Mr. President, remembering that some of the mothers also live with disabilities, including the disability of inability to talk, the disability of inability to hear, Mr. President, this indeed is the time for this legislation. I thank you and I congratulate you. Uriomno.